Alright, hello, my name is Anthony. It's my 2021 Supra. Got a little track setup right now with 2.0 wheels. She's tuned. Ignore the front, got hit. Also have a little intake here, Venturi. But she's a stock turbo Supra. Has a pour injection, downpipes, and a single X exhaust. Pretty simple. So let's go for a ride. We'll do a little spin. And that's why I bought that car, this car. So it's a little wet, so we're not gonna be going that hard. It's actually my second time here on this road. It's actually very fun, but it's also very tight turns, so I take it easy. But a few reasons why I bought the Supra. Big one for me was I always was an AK4 fan. Saw this when they announced it, and it was like, it's perfect. It's like my chance to get a Supra. As you know, AK4s are now very, very expensive. Also, I wanted to tune the car. I wanted to build it, and this was like the perfect opportunity. It's actually surprisingly cheap to build this car. When it comes to simple, like right now, all I have is a stock turbo and a tune and pour injection. It's very fun. Pour injection can give you a lot of torque. You know, enjoy it. I have different maps too for like higher boost, things like that. But another thing I really enjoy about the car is it's a jack of all trades. I also do drag racing, and I mean, the car works. It's very fun. It's fast. As you can see, I've drifted the car before. It's just a all-around good car. You can do whatever you want with it. You can do track, you can do, you know, circuit, you can do drag strip, you know, drifting in it. It's a very fun car right out the box. And realistically, you don't need to do something like this, like a pour injection or anything like that. Just a simple tune if you just want to have fun with the car. It's perfect. It's reliable. 30,000 miles, or hard miles. I would recommend this car. And as I was saying before, the reason I got this, again, is because of the tunability of it. And again, it was, at the time, it was affordable. It's a very affordable car for what you get. Essentially, I mean, that's my dream car, the MK4. I saw this come out, and I just loved it. I love everything about it. I love how it looks. Well, maybe not mine with the bumper right now, but that will be fixed this week actually. And there's a nice window. And yes, that's one thing about this car that I had. It's the only car I ever had that no luck with the windshield. This is actually my second windshield. I'm gonna be going on the third. I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of the road. Still learning it. She pickups pretty nicely. And that's the end of the road. First time doing a video, so we'll see how I did. But yeah, this is my 2021 Supra, tunable Supra. Thanks.